So if you want to use the voice input feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone, but the microphone icon is missing from the Samsung keyboard, then here's how to fix that problem. So what you need to do is enable voice input, and you can do that in the Samsung keyboard settings. You can either tap on this little icon here, like that. That takes you into the Samsung keyboard settings. Alternatively, you can go into the settings, just the main settings of your Samsung phone, and then go to general management, and then go to Samsung keyboard settings. Either way, it lands you on your Samsung keyboard settings. So while you're here, you want to go down to voice input, tap on that, and you can see it's set to none, and that's why the microphone icon is not available on your keyboard. So you want to go ahead and tap on either Google voice typing or Samsung voice input. So they use different databases and different engines. For me, I find Google more robust, so I'll select that. So now when you go back to your keyboard, let's just go back to that chart. So now when you bring up the keyboard, you will see now we have the microphone icon in the bottom left corner, and you can use that to do voice typing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.